सजना तुम साथ दो हमें छोड़ के कहीं भाग लो हमें भूल जा फिर पास आ मेरी आँखों में बस देख जा।
तो यही है वो कुर्सी जिस वजह से मुकुल अभी गिरा था।
कुर्सी छिल गई इससे स्लो मोशन।
So you have to just make him fall today also.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So morning guys, all on time. तो अब चले बाइक लेने। तो डॉग कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? क्या कर रहे हैं हम आज?
बस जी eagerly waiting। आज फर्स्ट डे है हमारी ईस्टर्न यूरोप राइड का। So going to the dealer to pick up the Yamaha MT-07 Zenitary। अभी तक का पिछले 24 घंटे was fantastic thanks to our local lovely friend Michael and वही हमें घुमा रहे हैं and बस we'll keep you updated soon।
And here is our friend Michelle and हमारे lovely poster boy। आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
बस कुर्सी नहीं छीननी चाहिए।
वो मैंने बोला अभी कुर्सी छिलवाएंगे इसकी अभी। So एक और बात बताऊं दोस्तों, Michael is waist down paralyzed and is a specially abled person and he is the one who did Antarctica to Arctic and he met us in the Arctic circle in Prudhoe Bay. That is how our friendship started and I'll show you how he manages his day-to-day ride on his recently acquired Mercedes truck. See, this is Michel and this is how he operates his wheelchair out of his wheelchair. This seat designed by himself electrically and this is the lift. The wheelchair comes here. See, he rotates on this, sits on this wheelchair, then the wheelchair comes here and he comes down. He is a self-dependent traveler, I would say. So here we come to the office to take charge of our bikes. We have to do the paperwork. Abacus. So look, I'll show you who is here with us. We hardly meet in our own country in India, but look where we are meeting. Candida in Poland.
Hello.
So she is here. So good to see you. How is our baby doing?
Good.
So she did till Australia.
Okay.
So now she is doing 30 countries from UK. So Canada is doing 30 countries starting from UK. And when did you start Canada? July. So she started in July. So now she is at the fag end of her journey. And this is our very own Dominar from India. Same color which I rode from Alaska to Antarctica. How many countries have you done till now? Do you remember the count?
I think 16.
16. Can you name them?
England, Wales, France, Germany, Luxembourg, Belgium, Netherlands, Denmark, Sweden, Norway, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland. And I think I did a few smaller countries like Liechtenstein and Andorra.
I was just checking your memory because I can't remember names.
Yeah, it's difficult. But
Yes. So she's riding on our very own Bajaj Dominar, which has recently crossed 50,000 mark.
Now it is almost 55.
55,000. So I crossed my 50,000 mark in Argentina on my blue Dominar. So when I was riding from Arctic to Antarctica. I shared the 50,000 picture on the Instagram. You can check on the Instagram. And many best wishes to Candida for this ride and future rides as well. And hope to ride with you. Thank you. Hope to ride with you someday on a long ride. यहाँ Abacus बाइक रेंटल कंपनी से हमने बाइक ले ली है और दिखाता हूँ मैंने क्या बाइक लिया है. This is an MT-07 2018 model and luckily rims जो हैं पेंटेड हैं मैचिंग विद माय राइडिंग गियर्स. मैं घर से अपने साथ टैंक बैग लाया था सोलेस का बिकॉज़ यहाँ एसेसरीज बहुत महंगी हैं. वाटरप्रूफ बैग लाया था. टॉप केस हमने हायर करा है 5 यूरोस पर डे. चार्जर मैंने फ़िट कर लिया है इसके ऊपर और एक फ़ोन होल्डर फ़िट कर लिया है to keep my accessories charged. So this is the bike. अब हम अपनी जर्नी शुरू करेंगे टुवर्ड्स प्राग. आज हम रुकेंगे रॉकलॉफ, कल हम पहुंचेंगे प्राग जहां हमारी 2 नाइट्स का स्टे.
तू रागिनी तो हम पास हैं. पहली बार तुझसे मिले नैना, नींद नहीं आवे नहीं मिले चैना. पूरी रात करे बात जैसे तोता मैना, कहूँ और जैसे मोर नाचे तेरे लिए ना. हम चोरी चोरी चिपके से आए होंगे ना, तेरी कारी कारी लट उल जाए सजना. डूब जाए तेरी आँखियों में मेरी दुनिया, कर जाए मजबूर मुझे तेरी बतिया. बुलाए न भूले तेरी मीठी मीठी बातें, जगाए रे जगे देखो सारी सारी रात. बुलाए न